Classic Editor versus Wix Harmony. What's actually different and which one should you be using? Today, let's break down the key shifts in workflow, design, and AI. Let's get started. The interface, minimalist versus classic. The first thing you'll notice is the workspace. The classic editor uses that familiar left-hand sidebar with large icons for everything from your pages to your media. Harmony, on the other hand, is built for focus. It features a clean, minimalist environment where the ad and brand menus are tucked neatly at the top, and a contextual action bar floats right above your elements, giving you only the tools you need in that moment. AI support, ARIA versus standard AI tools. In the classic editor, AI is a tool you open, like the AI text creator or the image enhancer. But in Harmony, AI is your partner. This editor introduces ARIA, an AI assistant you can chat with throughout the entire build. Instead of just generating text, you can tell ARIA to actually build a section or fix some margins, and it'll execute the task directly on the canvas. Hybrid versus manual. The classic editor is the king of pure free-form drag and drop. You have total manual control over every pixel. Harmony introduces a hybrid experience. It uses a smarter alignment grid, handles the complex spacing and responsiveness across devices automatically. So which one should you choose? Stick with the classic editor if you love total manual control, use a lot of third-party apps, or are working on an existing site you aren't ready to move. Switch to Harmony if you want to launch fast, love working with AI, and want a modern, fluid site without the technical headache of manual responsive design. Both editors are available right now, so you can pick the one that fits your style. Whether you want the classic control or the new Harmony flow, Wix got you covered. Have you ever tried both? Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments. Hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.